telecom passive infrastructure services provider and solar EPC and manufacturing of green construction products, building materials. We have established this company in 2012 based out of Hyderabad, and we are ISO 9001-2015 certified company. All our products and services are certified by ISO, and we have pan-Indian presence across all states, whether it is cell site construction or optical fiber laying or solar power plants. Myself, Bondada Raghavendra Rao, and Mr. Satyanarayan Baratam is CFO and director, and Bondada Nilima is non-executive director, and we have other two independent directors. We have done around 11,600 tower installations as on 31st March 2023, and 3,500 kilometers of fiber laying across the country for all the telecom operators. Mainly into these industries, telecom and solar. We are into EPC, we are into O&M services. EPC means engineering, procurement and construction. We do the telecom cell site construction, and thereafter we undertake operation and maintenance of those towers. And in optical fiber, we lay the optical fiber for the operators, and thereafter we will undertake the complete operation and maintenance of the optical fiber routes. And in solar also, we install the solar plants, concept to commission, and we maintain those power plants. And as a diversification, we have installed 3 manufacturing products, that is tower manufacturing unit located at Hyderabad. Again, the towers are required for our telecom EPC services. We manufacture towers and supply to the telecom operators. And we have other green construction products like AC, plasma, UPVC, windows. So we are EPC contractors for all our customers. Hence it is a asset light model EPC business. Okay, that object of the issue and the issue summary can be explained by our CFO in detail. Next slides. Next. Yeah. Coming to the at glance of financials of financial year 2023. We have discussed already the business segments: telecom tower construction, telecom optical fiber laying and its operation and maintenance, then solar energy, solar EPC and operation and maintenance, and construction materials are the main core business of this company. Last year revenue we have reported at 370 crores and EBITDA around 31 crores, PAT around 18 crores. Order book as on March 31st, 2023 is 1520 crores. Return on capital employed is around 35.63% and ROE is at 22.77%. Yes, we already discussed all these numbers in our previous slides. Here you can go through the complete ratios of the company, that is EBITDA, PAT percentage, net worth, current ratio, debt equity ratio, all those ratios are available in front of you. You can go through that. We have been awarded Telecom Infrastructure Provider of the Year by Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana in the year 2021, and 2023 we have been awarded by Global India Business Forum as a Company of the Year. It's a very prestigious award we got. In addition to this, a lot of applause, a lot of testimonials we got from our customers. So the strong project management and execution capability, we have been running all our projects on time, and our value proposition to our customers is our on-time delivery, cost consciousness, and environmental friendly. Whatever you do, we undertake the projects, we must care about our environment also. That is the all these parameters are driving from our vision and mission statement of the group. Next slide, sir. This is the constitution, board constitution. Raghavendra Rao and Satyanarayana Paratan is the CFO. Irima Bondada is non-executive director. And Sarvesh Reddy is independent director. Venkata Subbarao Pasupuleti is another independent director, and Sonia Pitani is our compliance officer, company secretary. Yeah. Bondada Engineering Limited, under this company we do EPC services, O&M services and manufacturing. EPC service again is industry, telecom we are there, and solar we are there. And again, whatever we do that projects of telecom tower as well as the fiber, we undertake the operational maintenance of those activities. And solar, once solar power plant is done, then we will undertake the O&M. Tower manufacturing and AAC blocks and UPVC products, windows and doors. Basically, these two products are building materials. Yeah, these two materials are accredited with Green Council of India. CAA Green Council of India has been certified our products. These are environmental friendly products. If you see this detailed scope of the work, where telecom, what we do, passive infrastructure of this telecom cell site, customer will give us the own site location. After their radio frequency survey, they will give us the just where site location, whether it's a ground based or the rooftop. They will ask us to provide the certain height of the tower, and our team will go do the preliminary survey and come back and do the design as per the requirement of the customer. And then once this design is approved by customer, then we will undertake this civil works, that is foundation work. There is a tower is a tower foundation work. Then we will supply the tower, we erect the tower, and we provide all sort of electrical associated electrical works, providing the power equipment and other associated all civil works, and we will make the complete tower ready for the active infrastructure. And once customer is installed that active infrastructure, the tower is going to be radiated and give us the network in that particular area. Again, the same optical fiber means that cable tower can be operated through two media. One is optical fiber and second one is the microwave. This optical fiber cable, again customer will give us the so and so location, so and so routes we need the optical fiber to be laid. Our people will go, our team will go and do the preliminary survey and come back and make the complete drawings submitted to customer. Once the drawings are approved, then our people will go and do the complete laying of the optical fiber, then termination and then splicing and connecting to the respective facilities, whether it is a tower or whether it is a large facilities like AG1, AG3, and the small facilities at BTC stations can be connected from tower to tower. And solar EPC, again a customer developer will give us the bare land where just land is available, and our people will go and do the survey and come back and do the complete design of the plant as per the requirement in megawatt scale. What we undertake is completely ground-based solar, ground-mounted solar power plants. It runs in a megawatt scale. After site survey, then people will do the design of the complete plant and the preparation of BOQ, then price finalization with the customer, and then we undertake complete civil works for the piling and then supply of module mounting structures, installation of module mounting structures, supply of all the equipment, that is including panel and inverters, transformers, CTs, PTs. We also undertake that switch yards of that plants. Up to evacuation point, we will make the complete plant ready and connecting to the evacuation plant. The generated power can be transmitted to the respective transmission distribution companies. Whatever we have done here is the infrastructure as a activities. We undertake those optical fiber operation and maintenance of those activities. In case of telecom towers, we undertake complete 24/7 uptime of the telecom network. Tower needs to be operated 24/7, uninterrupted services, and this comes under the essential services. We provide largely our technicians, our riggers, to manage these networks 24/7, and we also undertake that diesel pouring and diesel DG upgradation of that DG in the sites. And optical fiber also, it is a comprehensive maintenance of the optical fiber routes wherein which we undertake both preventive maintenance and corrective maintenance. Whenever that cable gets cut or whatever damage is there, our people have to rush to that place, and then within 4 hours we have to rectify and then restore the complete network. Even after doing that, actually we have to upgrade the OFC network also. Solar EPC, we after installation of and commissioning of the plant, then we will undertake the O&M of the solar plants, wherein which we have to make sure that actually optimal generation of power units are coming from that solar plant, and then other repair and maintenance of other electrical items. Wherein manufacturing supply of towers, we can manufacture ground-based towers, rooftop towers, poles which are required for the telecom infrastructure. And construction of materials, construction materials is the autoclaved aerated concrete blocks, which is lightweight and high compressive strength. Very much useful for high-rise buildings. There is a huge demand is there in both Telugu states, Andhra and Telangana. In addition to that, we also have the ancillary products like joining mortar and the ready plaster and wall putty also. We also supply complete wall solutions, and UPVC doors and windows also we manufacture. This is about BSNL 4G saturation foundation, that is 40-meter monopole mast for one of our biggest customer, Reliance Jio, and this rooftop tower is 40-meter tower, BSNL 40-meter tower. These are the construction activities which takes place at respective locations. This tower is radiated, then our people will go and manage these towers time to time and 24/7 without interruption. We have to manage these towers on continuous basis. We undertake this O&M contracts also from our esteemed customers. Atmanirbhar Bharat and Digital India concept, Digital India mission and Make in India mission. All the services and products required for this 4G saturation projects needs to be supplied by Indians only, completely indigenous. So no import is accepted, means permitted in this project. Yeah, again, coming back to the optical fiber EPC, here we do the complete fiber optics, both for NLD, intracity, and FTTX. FTTX means fiber to enterprise and fiber to home. These are around 3,500 kilometers from last 6 years. We have started this fiber business in 2016. In solar, so far we have installed around 198 megawatt, and tower construction is around 11,600 towers we have been installed so far, and almost around 38,500 towers we are maintaining as of now. That is in Jagapet, and we have installed capacity of 150,000 cubic meters per annum capacity, and which from that plant we are catering both Hyderabad and Andhra smart blast and is UPVC windows and doors manufacture and supply and installation of UPVC windows doors. These are the unplasticized polyvinyl chloride profile we import, and then we make the windows and doors as per customer requirement, customized product will supply to the all our builders. Is 2012-13 we have started started this company with turnover of around 7 crores, and 13-14 commenced the telecom EPC business with all the major telecom operators, and 14-15 the first UPVC plant installed at Vizag, and 15-16 the AAC plant was commissioned at Jagapet, and 16-17 commenced solar EPC business and received ISO certification in financial year 16-17. 17-18, first milestone of the 100 crores revenue we crossed in 17-18, and the commenced telecom tower manufacturing unit is also we have installed in 17-18. 18-19 we got again ISO approval got it, and 19-20 secured the first solar EPC contract of 13.8 Though we small projects we had done in previous year, but in 1920 sizable solar EPC contract we have got, and crossed annual turnover of around 200 crores. 1920. 21-22 again we have installed another UPVC plant at Hyderabad, and for these construction products we have made into the subsidiaries. We formed a subsidiary companies 100% and 60% of subsidiary companies, and we kept those construction products into those subsidiaries. 22-23, as we already explained, that this is single largest telecom EPC and O&M order of around 1156 crores from BSNL, which is USOF funded project, Universal Service Obligation Fund project. Again, I am repeating that it is this project is designed based out of that through Atmanirbhar Bharat mission and as well as the Digital India concept. Means we are giving the services to the people where unprivileged people where they don't have coverage at all by anybody, any operator. There is no coverage now, but Government of India intends to give that coverage very remote locations. I think we have been experienced so many villages are away from the network, and then they struggled a lot during even COVID times. There is no medical facilities, medical information is not there, and even education, online education was not there. There will be coverage, and we are connecting mainly that those people to the mainland of the country. Now we are coming with IPO in 2023, and we have to see that. Coming back to the this is what we have journey so far. What is next? We are seeing huge potential, very huge potential in even for next 10 years. Even here that DNB has given that 10-year projections only, but I have the very clear roadmap, very clear visibility. Right now, around 12 lakhs route kilometers is there in India. I think most of you might have been already heard that actually. Day before yesterday, Cabinet has approved another 8 lakhs route kilometers through Bharat Broadband Nigam Limited, BBNL Broadband Network. Worth 1.39 lakh crore projects they have released, and tenders are coming very soon. All the public sector companies are created their own subsidiaries, and both private developers, CPP and IPP projects, government of India projects, and state-owned companies are coming with a lot of tenders. Huge market potential is there. I think give you our numbers that growth, consistent growth story and profitability of the company, and going forward what we are going to do, and information. Thank you.